how to obtain permanent residency, PR, and citizenship in Canada. And that's what we're talking about on today's episode from College Migration TV. And as we all do it over here, if you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please hurry up and do so by clicking on the subscribe button to subscribe at College Migration. And so as to follow us on our study abroad journey and for you to get the latest, juiciest news from College Migration TV. And also, please, if you're fond of not liking, commenting, and sharing, please continue to like our videos. We are begging. Continue to drop your comment. Don't get tired of dropping and continue to share. Don't get tired of sharing our video. We are seeing what you're doing. Please continue of sharing. And so, also applying permanent residency, PR, and citizenship in Canada. One is to study. Enroll in a designated learning institution, DLI, and obtain a study permit. Work part-time during your studies, and that's 20 hours per week, and full-time during your scheduled breaks. 2. Postgraduate work permit, and that's PGWP. After completing your program, apply for a PGWP, and which allows you to work in Canada. PGWP duration matches your study length, and that's up to 3 years. 3, we have gain Canadian work experience. And that is work in a skilled job under the National Occupational Classification, NOC, and accumulate at least 1 year of full-time work experience to qualify for PR programs. 4, apply a permanent residency, PR. And you should use pathways like Canadian Experience Class CEC under Express Entry. And that's designed for individuals with Canadian work experience. We have Provincial Nominee Program, PNP, and that's to apply through a province offering a nomination for skilled workers. And Federal Skilled Workers Program, and that's FSWP. If you meet education, language, and work experience criteria. Create an express entry profile and receive an invitation to apply AITA based on a comprehensive ranking system, CRS score. 5. Obtain PR status. After receiving an ITA, submit a complete PR application. Processing typically takes 6 months. Once approved, you become a permanent resident, gaining benefits like healthcare and education access. 6. Apply for citizenship. Live in Canada for at least 3 years and within the last 5 years as a PR. 2. Meet language proficiency requirements in English or French. And lastly, pass the Canadian citizenship test covering history, values, institution, and rights. 7. Become a Canadian citizen. Attend the citizenship ceremony and take the oath of citizenship to officially become a Canadian citizen. Now, the key benefits of Canadian citizenship. 1. Obtain the right to vote and run for public office. 2. You can apply for a Canadian passport and travel freely. 3. You no longer need to renew PR status. To know more about or apply for any of the school or Canadian school, visit www.collegemigration.com. So that'll be all on today's episode from College Migration TV. If you know that you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please hurry up and then do so by clicking on the subscribe button at College Migration. So as to follow us on our study abroad journey and for you to get the latest news and episode from College Migration TV. And if you're not fond of liking or commenting or sharing, please do so. We are begging, we are pleading for you to like, to comment, and then share. Keep on commenting, keep on sharing. Don't stop, keep on doing it. And if you've not followed us on our social, you've not followed us, you can kindly follow us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, and then Twitter at College Migration. I still remain your beautiful, elegant, and gorgeous host, Favor Ifeanyi, popularly known as QOP. See you on the next episode. Do not go nowhere. Bye for now.